Good morning, all of you. So, students, today I am going to do one activity for you. This activity is took up from your book, lesson number 6, Changes Around Us. So, through this activity, you have to write what you have seen, and this activity you can do by yourself because it is very simple. You need just a candle. Okay, this is small candle, and for that, to measure the candle you need one scale. Okay, so this is one scale you have to take, and here I will measure the candle at first. So I am showing you it is 4 centimeter. The length of the candle is almost 4 centimeter. Okay, so this part is done. Then I will light the candle. And I will fix the candle here. Okay, so let's light the candle. So dear students, here you have seen that I have light the candle. Now I will fix the candle here. So I have fixed the candle here. Okay, so now you have to wait. Okay, let the candle be burned for some times. Okay, let's take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will see what happens. Okay, so dear students, now we will blow out the candle and we will measure the candle again. Okay, so let's blow out the candle, and now I will measure the candle again. Okay, you can see now it's 3.5. Okay, the measurement of the candle is 3.5. At first it was 4 centimeter, isn't it? The measurement was 4 centimeter. Now it is 3.5. So now, so what changes we can see? We can see that when the candle is burned, these are the wicks. Wicks means when the candle burns, that then it melts, and it is called, these are called wicks. Okay, so when a candle burns, it changes into wicks. This is just changes we can see. Now if we heat these wicks, okay, what you can do, these are the wicks, and you can take some wicks in a pan. Okay, you can take some wicks in a pan and you can heat it, okay, for some times. Then what changes you can see? You have to tell me what changes you can see if you melt these wicks again. Okay, can this process be reversed? Can these wicks be converted into the solid candle? Okay, so this is all about the activity, the changes we have seen, and can these changes be reversed? Okay, I have shown the activity. Now you have to do what changes you can see. Take help from your parents, take help from your siblings, and do the activity. Thank you.